Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did your HP printer stop printing after canceling HP Instant Ink? Are you getting cartridge errors or cartridge not recognized messages? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you quick and easy steps to fix the problem and get your HP printer working again. Let's get started. When you cancel HP Instant Ink, the Instant Ink cartridges become inactive, even if they still have ink inside. That's why your printer may suddenly stop printing. The main solution is to replace the Instant Ink cartridges with regular HP cartridges. Step 1. Check your printer model number. Buy compatible HP original ink cartridges from a store or online. Make sure you buy regular HP cartridges, not Instant Ink cartridges. Step 2. Turn on the printer. Open the cartridge access door. Wait for the cartridges to move to the center. Remove the old Instant Ink cartridges carefully. Step 3. Remove the protective tape from the new cartridges. Insert them into the correct slots. Push until they click into place. Close the printer door. Now try printing a test page. Step 4. Keep the printer on. Unplug the power cable from the printer and wall outlet. Wait 60 seconds. Plug everything back in and restart the printer. Step 5. Open the HP Smart app. Go to Printer Settings. Check for firmware updates. Install updates and restart the printer. Step 6. Remove the old HP printer driver from your computer. Download the latest driver from HP's website, install it, and reconnect the printer. Step 7. Open Devices and Printers. Right-click your HP printer. Cancel all pending print jobs. Set the printer as default printer. And next, bonus tips. Use only standard HP cartridges after canceling Instant Ink. Restart the printer after changing cartridges. Keep firmware updated regularly. Do not refill Instant Ink cartridges. And that's it. Your HP printer should now print normally again. If you still need help with your HP printer, contact us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more printer troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching.